What's up, guys? If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. But if you're new here, make sure to smash that subscribe button because I see what I call value overloaded. So in this video, I want to just share a quick update on the $25,000 account. But then before that, I want to just let you know that one thing: you can't control the markets. You can't control the market, obviously. But then you can always do one thing. You can always focus on those things which you can control, which is the risk you are taking on your account, how many trades you are trading, how many pairs you are trading, are you trading forex or commodities or stocks. These are things you can control, but like you can't really control the market, but you can control the things you can do in the market, all right? And that's the difference between profitable traders and unprofitable traders. Profitable traders focus on things that they can control, but then unprofitable traders focus on those things which they can't control, which is always blaming the market and always focus on chasing the market. But profitable traders focus on just the things that they can control. All right, so on this $25,000 account, I just took a loss. All right, but then it's not much of a loss. I'm watching a ball here, so it's kind of distracting here. Let's just focus. So I took a loss of $125. I will just quickly share with you, and also I will share you the trade towards the ending part of this video if you stay towards the ending part, and I will do a breakdown as well, because the market has been ranging for a while. USD has been ranging for a while, and when USD is ranging, generally most pairs slow down. Most pairs, because USD is one of the most strongest currency and assets. All right, so yeah, I just wanna I will do a breakdown, and I will show you the $125 that I took a loss on my MT5 account. I will quickly show you that. And I took this loss basically because it's just pretty normal to take losses in the market, all right? And if you focus on the chasing the market, that okay, I took a loss, I want to get the loss back, I will definitely lose more. But then if you focus on okay, it's pretty normal to take a loss, but then it's one thing that I can do, which is always focusing on reducing my risk or taking a low risk trade, which will help me last more longer in the market, because I know if I last longer in the market, I will obviously make much profits and recover those things which I've trades which I've lost. So what I will do is I will just reduce my risk and focus more on long term rather than trying to chase the market to recover what I've lost. All right. So yeah, that's just the difference. And yeah, and I plan to take this account long term, like I've said it before. I'll be taking minimal risk on this account. As long as I want to take this account, as long as someone made a comment in my last video, I will just quickly show you the comment now. And that comment said that my confidence to pass this account and withdraw is overrated. And I understand, because not everybody has kind of statistics I have in the market. All right, I've backtested a lot. I've traded for like 4 years, and I have enough statistics. Not really like in my mind, but once on the charts, the ones I've written down, the ones I've done, I have enough statistics to prove these things. All right, so I'm not saying it's based on like I'll pass the account and withdraw based on like random saying. No, I'm saying it based on statistics. The only reason I won't pass this account and I won't withdraw from this account is only one thing, and that's me. If I increase my risk, if I go out of my trading plan for this account particularly, that's the only thing that will make me lose this account. But if I focus on it, I know for a sure I will pass this account and I will withdraw. I feel like it's not overrated confidence. It's just statistics, all right? And those statistics wasn't like a shadow statistics. It's a statistics that I've traded and I've seen the results. I've backtested over and over many years of results, more than 4 or 5 years of results, and it's proving itself right. All right, so for me, it's not overrated. It's just statistics, and sometimes confidence and faith in yourself can seem as pride, which is understandable because some people have not really done their work. They've not traded for as long as I've traded. They've not backtested as long as I've backtested. They've not put in the work like I've done. So they feel like it's overconfidence, because to them They don't know what I know, all right? So is perfectly fine, all right? It's perfectly fine. They are still coming up, and I understand. I'm not trying to bash them. I'm just trying to make you understand what it is. So let me quickly show you the account and do a quick breakdown on the video. And if you want to get a goat funded account, click on the link below. I'll leave a link to goat funded. The one I'm trading particularly is they have standard, they have instant, they have goats, they have other evaluation account types and instant funding. But then the one I'm trading now is goats, two-step goat funded account. All right, they have one step, they have three steps, they have one two steps. So the one I'm trading is two steps goats account. So and it's $25,000 account. Let me quickly show you the loss and let's just get onto the chart and I'll do a quick breakdown on USD trade I lost, and I'll be analyzing gold for you guys as well. So yeah. All right, so let me just quickly open MT5, and this is the account currently down 120 I think $7 because of commissions on this trade, which is kind of not bad. I would think it's bad though, but because $2 for 0.4 lots, it's crazy, but still not so great. This is $25,000. This is the first trade I took on the account, and yeah, we just lost $125. And the mark drawdown on this account is $2,500. So let's just quickly jump right into the chart. Here is the chart of the trade I took a loss on, which is GBP USD. Let me quickly impute the wallpaper so you can be able to be seeing it very clearly. Name of the pair. Okay, so here is GBP USD, and this is the trade I took here. Don't mind the way my chart is a little bit messy. I usually teach with my other charts because this one I just like leaving the trades I've placed in the past, my charts, for statistics purposes and for me being able to study the chart again. If I want to study a fresh chart, I can just delete it, all right, or go to another GPUSD. But just that's why it's just a little bit messy. This one is the last trade I took on, particularly on GPUSD. Then this one, I took this trade because number one, as you can see, this trend line here, this particular big trend line. Let me change the color to something else. Let me include sizing, change it to, let's say, green. Don't know if that is doing. Sorry, not the text. Just change to green. Yeah, this green trend line is coming from a higher time frame, all right, which is more of a top-down analysis. All right. So it broke out from a major trend line. All right, came back, retested the which I took this trade because it broke out of this level, this particular this last one, second to last one I took. So this one, it came back, retested. Let me just quickly delete this trend line here. Retested this particular trend line from higher time frame. All right. Came and did a double top here. So it's more of a double confirmation for a sell, but I don't sell on retest of trend lines. I sell on breakout of this level of levels, all right. Majorly change of market structure levels, which this market it just did a retracement here, retested and did a double top here. With double top is a reversal pattern, so it started pushing down, and as soon as it break this particular level here, this level here, I jumped in. As you can see, this is 1 hour time frame. It broke through this level and closed, step pumping, pushing down. I jumped in, and yeah. And this was last week. There was a crazy news. Powell spoke, which is the Fed, I think the Fed chairman, if I'm not mistaken. Then as well, Donald Trump spoke. That's what caused this heavy spike here. Though yeah, but at the end of the day, we took a loss on the trade, which taking losses are normal, all right. And what I normally target is 1:4. So even if I take 4 losses in a row, one trade can recover the four losses, just like this one now. So this one is to four. Let's say example, if I'm risking $100, I'm making $400 in return. If I'm risking $1,000, I'm making $1,000. So in this trade, I was risking 125. My target. Let me just quickly share calculate it for you here on the screen. So my target was simply 125 times four. You can just do that. This one is $500. Right, it's $500. I was just risking $125 to make $500, which is low win rates, but then overall it's profitable, highly profitable, all right? Because it's a high risk reward. So yeah, and I said that I will be sharing with you USDJPY. Let me just show you USDJPY for you. Most pairs slow down once USDJPY slows down. So let me just quickly pull it up. It's been quite long. I took a trade on USDJPY. USDJPY particularly. I've not taken trade in this particular pair for a really long time because of this. It's volatile, but then it doesn't have, for me, on the 1 hour time frame, it doesn't have definite direction. It's just going up, down, up, down, up, down. Once you see it's as if it's trending here, it comes back, still gets into the range. Same thing has been happening for a couple of times. I think for a couple of months now. This is since April. April was the last month I took a trade on this particular pair. So yeah, and once you see this kind of slowing down on USDT, just know that other pairs will slow down as well. Then on gold, I think gold has slowed down as well, which I took about a couple of losses on gold, three losses because I was just trying to chase the market, which didn't end well. All right, as you can see, this is unlike gold. This kind of range is unlike gold. So probably I'm expecting gold to break out of this level and continue pushing up. Hopefully, if that happens, I'll be super interested in getting if it breaks above this level. So here is the usual movement of gold as you can see, and this is the first and second quarter of this year was more of trending on gold. As you can see, I capitalized a lot on the move, and I made a lot of money from not really a lot of money, but like at least I made money. As you can see, the market was trending. Then from trending like this to coming to slow down like this, it's kind of a pretty crazy switch, which you have to just adapt to the market and just be patient. All right. This one that thing I talked about um in the beginning of this video, which is about the market condition can change, but then I can continue to be like I tried chasing the market here. I can continue chasing the market and taking losses, or I can be patient to just allow the market to start trending again. All right. I can that's me playing my own part, right? That's me focusing more on what I can control because I can't control what the market is doing. I can't control whether the market is ranging or the market is trending. But what I can control is when the market is ranging, I can stay off the particular pair for quite a while. Once it start trending again, I'll get back to start trading. But some people started as well. What maybe in a ranging market like this? I think so. I don't know. I've not tried it. I've not tried any strategy that is profitable on a ranging market. I just believe that it's easier to make more money in when the market is trending because even if you're wrong when the market is trending upwards or downwards, you will just make money generally. All right, you make money generally because let's say for example the market is going up and you got your analysis wrong, but then because the market is going up, the market will still go up. All right. So far, if you didn't hit your stop loss, it can still go up. Though your analysis may be wrong, but then you are following the trend. All right. The trend should always be your friend because um it is one it is even if you're wrong when the market is trending, there is high chance that the market will still play out. So it's more of giving you a fair advantage. All right. A fair advantage. But then when you are trading in a ranging market like this, it's very crazy and slow. That doesn't mean that trading on a ranging market, you can't make money. You can make money, but it's giving you low quality trades But then it's just better you just wait for when the market is trending, which that's what I'm doing, and that's me focusing on what I can control. And this slowing down, I believe, is because of USD JPY. USD JPY is generally most pegged with major currency pairs. So once USD JPY slow down a lot of pairs slow down as well. All right. So yeah, and as you can see, I have like about 4 pairs. So for the person saying that me being overconfident, as you can see, I'm patient enough, bro. The last time I took a trade on gold was July. This is July 16th, and this over 1 month now. I've not taken any single position again on gold. That's how patient I am to be able to wait for my setup. This is not overconfident. This is practically being patient. This is about 40 days. I've not taken any trades on gold. I don't know if you can see the patience. So me, this is me. If I focus on what I can control, focus on risk management, focus on the taking the best quality trades as possible, bro, I'll pass this account and I'll get withdrawals. All right. I will only lose this account if I increase my risk unnecessarily and start chasing the market. All right, that's the only way I will lose this account. But the confidence that I can't pass this account or is the confidence is overrated is not overrated. It is it's a proof of statistics. All right, as you can see the win rate already on even on gold. You know, and these are trade I took. All right, so yeah, those some are for study purposes. Like if you start going backwards, these are most of them are for back testing and studying, which is nice. I believe gold has more higher win rate than other pairs for me on this strategy. But then it just gives me let's say lower numbers of trades. The win rate is more higher on gold and it gives me more lower trades, like numbers of trades. So in a year I can take up to like let's say 15, 16 trades in a year, depending on how the market is trending. Depending on the market condition, whether the market is trending or ranging. If it's ranging, that means I'll take less trades. But if it's trending, I'll take more trades. So 15 to 18 trades can make me profitable. All right. Even 12, even 9 can make me my year generally profitable only on gold. So that's just me focusing on what I can control and being patient, and yeah, being patient, taking my risk management into account, and not over trading, staying off the charts once the market is ranging, and obviously doing my thing as a swing trader, because I'm a swing trader. I'm not a day trader. I don't chase the market every single day. I just will allow the markets do what I want to. I want, and I'll just place the trades. If it ends up in loss like this particular USDJPY, I won't beat up myself because I know that I'll still recover it in next couple of trades. All right. So you just be able to calm down, understand the situation, have your list, take your list low, and that's just it. And I believe that should be all for this video. Yeah, hopefully I'm expecting to see maybe USDJPY, sorry, GPUSD drop more or go up. I'm not biased. Anything it does, I'm focusing on capitalizing on it. All right. If that's the the upside, if that gives me an upside in the market based on the way I trade, all right, that gives me the upside, or go ahead, I'll just place the trade. I don't mind whether it's losses or not, or it's profit. All right. And me, I've detached myself from profits, losses. It just helps me a lot. And me being able to study chart and backtest helps me to realize that okay, even if I take 4 losses in a row, I know that one trade can recover those 4 losses, and the next trade will put me up 4%, or depending on my risk, can put me up in profit. So yeah, that's just it. And yeah, the concluding note is study, 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 study the charts, and take account of statistics, and you'll be as confident as me. All right. So yeah, that's it all for the breakdown.